Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that is called Boys Club. So dear friends, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy it, you can hold, and later you can sell and make a lot of passive income. So don't skip any part of this video. I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So four friends representing memes, that is called Boys Club. So here we can also learn more information about this project. So Boys Clubs is Matt Fury, most iconic cartoons. So Peppy, Andy, Brett, and Lad Wolf are crazy but best roommates. Now all four of them have moved in as roommates in Solana. So the four of them are here to represent Solana meme coin, that is called Boys Club. So this project has a massive potential inside, and here we can also learn about its token mix. So 90% of the total supply reserved for LP and 7% for centralized wallet and 3% for airdrop. So full LP is full burn, and here you can also check out its contract address, and ownership is renounced as well. Now here we can also check out it is available on Radium, and very soon it will be listed on many centralized exchanges where you can also trade and buy it later as well. Now here we can also check out a funniest, awesome, hottest memes. You can also check out all here, and you can also like these memes must. And here we can also check, you can also swap it on Radium, as well as you can also check out its chart on Dex tool as well. Here we can also check out about the community, and I also recommend it to all of you must be join its Telegram to get latest news and updates, and follow them on their Twitter to get latest news and updates, and send emails, get support as well. Now first of all, learn on the Radium. So how can you buy it? So dear friends, first of all you need to connect your wallet, and you can also choose any wallet like that Phantom, Solflare, and MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any wallet in which you have your some Sol, and then you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spent here. Like that, if you want to be spent 10 Sol, and then you can also check how much club coin you can get right here. So don't miss this golden chance, and must be buy it right now, because it is making so hype and it is ready to bullish right now. If you want to be check out its price chart, so you can come on the Dex tool and find out link in my video description, and here you can also analyze this price chart, and you can also check that its market cap is $50.14 million. So liquidity is $38.56, and holders detail are 716 here. So you can also check out its current price with Solpair as well. Now here you can also check that it making bullish and ready to make bullish as well, and here you can also check out 24-hour volume, and you can also check out Dexter score is 67 or 99. So it's pretty good, trusted and reliable score, and when many people are buying or selling more trading here, you can also come here, you can also connect your wallet and buy it right now. You can hold, and later you can sell and make a passive income as well. So I also recommend it to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates. So this is with Boys, with beloved character Peppy, Brett, Andy, and Land Wolf. So welcome to Boys, where memes evolves as well. Now here you can also check out official link, and you can also find out official links in my video description as well. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be join its Telegram community to get latest news update, and you can also interact with their growing active and community as well. I also recommend it to all of you must be join and follow their Telegram channel to get latest news and updates, and you can also join the boys who are creating the future of memes here as well. So dear friends, this project have a massive potential inside, and it can really help to make a lot of profit in future as well. So before investing in this project, do your own research, and also like this video and share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.